It is clear that SMS-based simple texting is not a really suitable tool for mathematics learning. So this kind of simple tool forces us to use quite simple methods like drill and practice or just answering multiple choice questions. So SMS may not be the best tool, and I understand that in many cases there are technological restrictions, so we really have to aim to this kind of low-end device tools, but we have to have solutions for more advanced high-end device solutions and tools. Could it be possible that students, instead of answering multiple choice questions, start to think where they can see this kind of mathematical problems in their surroundings and what kind of mathematical challenges they face every day? This kind of things could be reported through SMS-based system, and this SMS-based system may not be the only system the students are using, but they have to discuss their own problems, what they find out in their real lives in classroom, and the teacher have to guide them. In many cases, the introduction of new tools, new technological tools, takes time, and it takes time to integrate these tools to learning processes. In your project, you had very tight time schedule, and it is understandable that in this kind of tight time schedule, the teachers and the students don't have so much time to adopt the new tools and new technologies. In my own experiences, I've realized that the first course where I use these technologies with student group, it is always practicing, and the next course, next fall, it goes much more smoother, and the students know the tools and they know how to use these tools, and also the teacher knows how to use the tools pedagogically meaningful way. I would like to say that it is very important to give these tools to teachers and teach teachers to use the tools pedagogically meaningful way. So you should put as much emphasis to support your teachers as possible, because teachers are the driving force when these kind of tools are adapted in a classroom, and when these kind of tools are used in classroom and between students. It would be interesting to know how many of your students have mobile phones with video cameras. Could you use video cameras in learning activities so that students could take videos of themselves doing something or discussing the problems? And could students post these videos to a social media site where others can see them and where they can discuss about these videos? This may be not suitable for all subjects, but in several subjects it's really possible to use videos and mobile videos in learning. It was interesting that the attitude against or towards mathematics was better in some groups and not so good in some groups in your study. Would it be possible that when you introduce real-world problems, the problems that are not theoretical or based on only theoretical settings but have roots in real life, Could this kind of problems help students to get positive attitude towards mathematics?